Hi everyone, this is Christina from Pip Supply, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make these cute little felt necklaces. They're super simple, and you can get all of the different supplies that you need from the shop, pipsupply.com. The first thing that you're going to need is a piece of cord. So that we're using suede cord. You can use really anything. So this one is about 31 inches, and you can kind of vary on the length. It's really up to you. So how I do it is I get a little piece of thread and it's knotted at the end, and then I have my needle and I just pull it through the end of my cord, and then it kind of just it just pulled right through. It's supposed to stay, so once it's in there it'll just knot it, and then this will help you pull through your beads easier. Super simple to pull them through. So this one, I'm just putting 2 beads. I thought I had another one. Here's my other one. And then the white. It just makes it really easy to pull them through. And then once those are pulled through, you can just pull your needle off and the thread comes right out. For this one, to thread it, I just used, this is called a wool felt needle, and it has that bigger loop on the end. And I just pull my suede cord through there, and then we're just gonna go through the back side. So you can do this either way. If you wanted your bat to go this way, like where it's sitting on your necklace like that, you can pull it through like that. I had mine where it was going up and down like that, so I think I'm gonna do it that way again, except I actually want it on this side. So let me pull it through here. Okay, so I want my bat to go up and down, so I'm just gonna go through the back side, and I'm gonna go straight through to the top. You guys see that? And then you just pull your cord, and you just kind of gotta wiggle it a little bit to get it through, and then once it's in, you're good. And we got our little bat on there. Pull it up just a little bit. A good idea just to secure your beads, and I should have did it for this one, but you can tie a little knot on the end so they don't move. So once you figure out, like, let me scoot these ones back. Once you figure out how you want your necklace to like lay or sit, or where you want your beads, all of that, you can kind of secure them with some little knots. So on this one, I'm gonna put just a little knot on the end. And this way our beads aren't gonna be all over the place, and they kind of just stay in one spot. So we got a knot there, and it just kind of keeps everything nice and tight where it needs to stay. Then I have some tulle, and you can really use any type of like fun ribbon or whatever you want to add to this. And I'm just gonna add my tulle right between my beads and my bat. And I kind of just scrunch it up a little bit in the center. I just kind of pinch the center, and then you tie a cute little bow, and it comes out really cute. And you can get really creative with this by adding, like I said, ribbon or yarn, or fun little like trims that are glittery or whatever. You could do so much fun things with this. But look how cute that is. Super simple and easy to do. Then next I have these little plastic clasps, and you can get these off of Amazon, and they're just called a necklace clasp. And you're just gonna thread your suede right through the little hole in there, and once you get that in, you're just gonna tie a knot at your end, and make sure you got a good knot there. And then you want to cut off any excess suede that's hanging off, and then you just pull it through, and you got yourself a nice clean clasp. Same thing, you're gonna pull it on this end and knot it. And we'll cut off that end. And you got yourself a little clasp. That way it's an easy breakaway if it needs to come off quick or whatever. So look at how cute that is. And it was so simple to make. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the link or in the comments below, and I'll try and link all of this stuff for you in our description. All right,